Hollyoaks spoilers show favorite dead after horror car crash. If you don't want any Hollyoaks spoilers, then look away now. Diane Hutchinson, played by actress Alex Fletcher, was seen being knocked down in a car crash on the latest E4 First Look. The accident happened as Diane and Tony, Nick Picard, argued as he tried to help his son Harry, Perry Glasspool, escape from police. They are hunting Harry down after he was heard confessing to Emi's murder. "I need to get away from you, Diane," he is convinced who's the culprit, even though the actual killer is Emi's husband Ryan Knight, Duncan James. Things kick off when police go in search of Harry over Amy Barnes' murder. Tony lies, saying he doesn't know where Harry is, and Diane isn't very happy about that. She tells him, "I'm done, I'm leaving." "I don't know how I can get past all of you lies. That's why I need to get away from here. I need to get away from you." However, what she doesn't realize is that Tony has let Harry hide in their boot. As Diane hears a noise, she gets out to investigate and end up finding Harry. As they pair come to blows again, Miss Pamela, Harvey Verdi, comes round the corner and crashes into the blonde. Diane is seen covered in blood on the crowd as Tony shouts for 999 to be called. Is this the end for the blonde?